Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota at Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE CVT with the upgrade package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a falcon gray color. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Included in your upgrade package is your heated steering wheel as well as your power tilt and slide moonroof and that backup camera to have you riding in the ultimate comfort. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, and your trunk release and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up now to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a very sporty interior. On the side, you have your power windows, your power locks, and you also have your power adjustable side mirrors. Here's a closer look at that cool fan detailing that we know and love about our Corollas. And with your LE package, you get that heated steering wheel with your heated side mirrors to battle those cold Alberta winters. Your Corolla is fitted with a full set of all-weather floor mats. Check out the detail put into your soft interiors. You have that two-tone as well as your contrasting stitching just to tie all of that cool, sporty style together. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open on those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Corolla, simply put your foot on the brake and that key in the ignition. Your engine's going to start up and that cool dashboard ambient lighting will pop up for you. Over here you have your steering wheel mounted controls. You have your hands-free calling, your voice command. You also have your volume control and mode changers. Below here you have your lane departure alert as well as your pre-collision, your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota safety sense. You have your cruise control controller from below there. You also do have your LCD screen. So right now it's open to your audio system, which is equipped with your AM/FM radio. You also do have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here. It's a nice convenience feature to have to make your life just that much more easier. Below here you have that modern digital styling for your climate control. You do also have that electronic automatic climate control as well as your air conditioning, which will definitely come in handy when you take your Corolla on those summer drives. Below here you have your 12-volt DC charger, your USB auxiliary input, as well as those heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side to complement your heated steering wheel and your heated side mirrors to be winter ready. You have your media storage below as well as that leather trim on your shift knob. You also do have your traction control, your leather on your parking brake, those removable pieces for your cup holders. Inside your center console you have that top shelf for any smaller items. And below, plenty of space to store everything that you need. Inside of your glove box, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. And we'll take one more nice look at all the functional, cool features built right into your vehicle. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob and it'll pop open for you. It's a nice feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Corolla. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. You have your handy cargo lamp for visibility. You also do have all your tools and your jack and your spare tire stored neatly underneath in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You have your emergency release from inside. Closing that up now. You can see that you have your backup camera available to you. It's a great safety option built right into your Corolla LE to keep everything nice and safe. As we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE CVT with the upgrade package. Built right into your Corolla is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you driving away in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.